Multi-tube Vortex mixer BHY-2500 is a laboratory instrument which combines shake and vortex skillfully. It is suitable for mixing optimization of multiple samples. Widely used in biotechnology, microbiology and medical analysis. There are 3 working modes can be selected. It equipped with various types of test tube rack. Meet the needs of vortex mixing of various specifications of test tubes, with memory function, saving setup time, convenient knob type operation and button type jog, and LED display speed and time. Double switch design makes the operation safer. The maximum capacity can reach 6.5 kilos, and the speed can reach 2,500 RPM, so that the mixing effect is more robust. Multi-tube Vortex mixer BHY-2500 can facilitate faster and more accurate nucleic acid detection.